This is pretty cool. I've gone from listening to The Voice pretty much every day to, come with me, hosting my next workshop called The Wait Is Over in this lovely cozy room. So if you're trapped in an unhealthy overweight body, this is the perfect first step for your journey, because every journey starts with a step. And if you're in an unhealthy overweight body, you must start from the beginning, which is the planning and preparation phase. Too many people try and jump too far in the deep end and then get confused as to what they're doing, why they're doing it, and then derail as soon as it becomes hard. So what the Wait Is Over is a workshop to completely map out your weight loss journey from the beginning to the end. When you come to the workshop, my main goal is to help you have a deeper understanding of why you should be focused on changing your lifestyle from the beginning and not just your diet. Because if you really want to change and make sure you never go back and it becomes your last ever weight loss journey, then you must tackle the root of the problem from the beginning. The next step is I want to create a roadmap from the beginning of the end of exactly what you should do, why you should be doing it, and how you're going to be doing it. And the last part is to get a nice little group photo with your book, because you get given a book called The Wait Is Over book, which currently has 5-star rating on Amazon. Okay, so within The Wait Is Over, what we cover is the 5 vital activities. 1 is the mindset, 2 is the challenges, 3 is the exercising, 4 is the nutrition, and the 5th one is the plan and preparation. With the mindset, if you do not get yourself into the right mindset within weight loss, it's kind of like expecting walking into a building and hoping to get a massage, but instead of having a massage, you're getting chucked into the ring with Mike Tyson. If you're going through a weight loss journey, you're not in the right mindset, you're going to get knocked on your ass quite quickly as soon as it gets tough. So the second thing is your challenges. What kind of challenges you should do, why you should be doing it. Challenges help you give you a good focus, and when you complete something that you think is slightly impossible, it helps expand your mind to help you understand what you could achieve more of. The next is exercising, which is 1/2 of contributing to your mastering your mind and body. And what we do, we figure out what new exercise level you're on, create your new exercise plan so that you can enjoy exercising and it's not too much stress on your body and it's not too much stress on your mind. The next is we tackle the nutrition. I teach you about the 4 different levels that I've created within nutrition. We create you a nutrition plan of what you should be eating, why you should be eating it over the following 6 weeks, so you can go from a poor nutrition to a good nutrition, again with very little stress on the body and very little stress on the mind. And the last is plan and preparation. Plan and preparation is so powerful because it helps minimize the negative voice in your head, because you've got a positive one and a negative one. If you're going for a weight loss journey, your positive one saying we need to exercise, we need to be healthy, we need to eat healthily. The negative voice does everything it can to postpone it. For example, if you say to yourself, I need to lose weight, we're going to start Monday. When it comes to Monday, you know you should be eating something good or doing some exercising. If you haven't got anything planned and prepared, the negative voice in your mind is allowed to speak quite loudly, and it'll say, let's do it next day, let's do it tomorrow, let's do it next week, or something like that. It keeps postponing it. But when you plan and prepare, it puts everything into place. You know when you're doing it, why you're doing it, how you're doing it, what you need to prepare to do it, and it really closes that negative voice and it makes you come pretty much unstoppable within your weight loss journey. So if you'd like to come join me in this lovely room, all I need you to do is click the button, claim yourself a ticket. Now if you're lucky, there could be a promotion on or an offer, so check it out and don't miss out. But if there is no offer, it is 100% worth it to help you escape an unhealthy overweight body. Apart from that, have a wonderful day, and I look forward to working with you in the next The Wait Is Over workshop.